Sound and Light is a unique attraction for Europe and was quite ahead of its time 30 years ago when it first premiered. Dramatic music, multicolored lights, lasers, and church bells gathered in one tell the glorious and dramatic history of the Second Bulgarian Kingdom. The concept for this spectacular dates all the way back to the early 1960s. The government of Veliko Tarnovo was looking for unique ways to promote the old capital as a historical, cultural, and tourist destination. The original concept was to create an elevated viewing area across from Tsarevets with a full view of the fortress. To the sides of the scene would be illuminated wall panels with projections that would tell the story of the dramatic history of Bulgaria from its origin in the year 681 to the capturing of Tarnovo from the Ottoman Empire in the year 1393. The show premiered November of 1985, in time for the 800th anniversary of the uprising of the brothers Asen and Peter and the beginning of the Asen dynasty. The history told through the presentation is synchronized with dramatic music and a light display that covers the entire hill. The current 21-minute show includes 2,400 multicolored searchlights, 140 floodlights directed at the audience, and 6 massive bells weighing from 600 kilograms to 6 tons. The original production of the show, launched in 1985, was meant to possibly run for 30 years, but it's still going and more popular than ever. The Sound and Light show is performed year-round, regardless of weather conditions, and to find out a schedule of performances, check their website at soundandlight.bg.